Cold monkey, get up, get coffee. Cold monkey, go to job. Cold monkey, have boring meeting with boring manager Rob. Rob said cold monkey very diligent, but his output stink. His code not functional or elegant. What do code monkey think? Code monkey think maybe manager wanna write goddamn login page himself. Code monkey not say it out loud. Code monkey not crazy, just proud. Code monkey like Speedos. Code monkey like Dan and Mountain Dew. Code monkey very simple man with big warm fuzzy secret heart. Code monkey like you. Code monkey like you. Code monkey hang around that front desk till your sweater look nice. Cold monkey offer buy you soda, bring you cup, bring you ice. You say no thank before the soda, cause soda make you fat. Anyway, you busy with the telephone, no time for chat. Cold monkey have long walk back to Junico. He sit down, pretend to work. Cold monkey not thinking so straight. Cold monkey not feeling so great. Cold monkey like Fritos. Cold monkey like Jam and Mountain Dew. Cold monkey very simple man, big warm fuzzy secret mark. Cold monkey like you. Cold monkey like you. Lots. Cold monkey have every reason to get out this place. Cold monkey just keep on working, see your soft pretty face. Much rather wake up, eat a coffee cake, take bath, take nap. This job fulfilling in creative way, such a load of crap. Cold monkey thinks someday he have everything, even pretty girl like you. Cold monkey just waiting for now. Cold monkey says someday, somehow. Cold monkey like Fritos. Cold monkey like Tam and Mountain Dew. Cold monkey very simple man, big warm fuzzy secret heart. Cold monkey like you. Cold monkey like you.